Guys, this is Ray with Spray Wash doing a temperature test for you. Now, this was actually the first temperature experiment I did today, which led me to realize my whole methodology was flawed, but I still wanted to show this for the information that was in here. Wound up doing a controlled ambient temperature test after that and based more results off of that. But on this, we're taking 3 samples, one from my freezer, one from my fridge, and one that's just ambient air temperature out here. It's all the same concentration of bleach, but all 3 of them are different temperatures. We're in our shop. It's about 64, 65 degrees in our shop right now. Threw a clock on here too so you can see how long this experiment takes. I'm taking red shop rag. I've got some equal sizes on that, relatively equal sizes. I'm gonna dip those into the bleach solutions, stir them around a little bit, and pull them out. Now, the big difference here on this experiment from my next experiment is that I didn't control the ambient air temperature. So as everything's warming up, they actually all wind up bleaching out at about the same time. The temperature had very, very little effect. However, it also goes to show that the cold temperature didn't work any slower, nor did it damage the efficacy of the bleach itself. So it still worked at the same strength and same time, even though that bleach had been frozen and was colder than the other samples whenever we first started out. Getting everything laid out here, we'll go back and give one final temperature reading on this to see what they are. I didn't write the temperatures down, but you know what? You can see what the temperature says because I'm going to do it with the digital thermometer right in front of you. So if that's of a concern to you, feel free to jot these numbers down. You can see on our room temperature one, we're at 64 degrees. On our refrigerator one, it's raised up to 52 degrees. And at our freezer one, we're down at 51 degrees. Let's check that again. 53 degrees. Wow, it's amazing how fast the air temperature is making the temperatures rise. Also, remember, the bleach is kicking off a little bit of heat as it reacts with the organic material in these cotton rags. Now, as you can see, the screen's changed a little bit. We've kicked it into high gear right here. We're going with stop motion photography on here because I don't really feel like standing around for 15 minutes while this remarkable transformation occurs. Right, we have returned to regular time now through the magic of advanced digital computing. So I'm checking this out. We're all relatively around the same temperature now, in that high 50s, low 60s range in here. Everything is kind of equalized out temperature wise, but if you notice, they're all bleached out equally. So leads me to believe, just a hypothesis that I have here that I think's been proven out, that freezing the bleach, refrigerating the bleach, room temperature bleach all works just the same. It's really going to be the ambient temperature that's outside of it that's going to keep this from working as fast. All right, so what does this experiment tell us? It tells us that bleach works. Bleach works. Bleach works whenever it's cold. Bleach works whenever it's warm. Freezing the bleach didn't kill the bleach. Now, the big takeaway that I had from this still is that as the bleach warmed up, it worked faster. And that the bleach wasn't killed by getting cold. So, I mean, we see the temperatures that I measured them at, so the bleach was still active. That's why on the second experiment we did, I went and tried to control the ambient temperature a little bit better to show the action of the bleaching whenever it was kept cold the whole time or until the very end. So there you have it. Hey, remember, come see us in Orlando, January 27 and 28, 2020. 2020, guys. Get trained. We're going to be in Orlando with Power Wash Store Nation. We've got some couple of exclusive offerings from Spray Wash Academy there. Our plant and property protection, our soft wash, roof wash basics course. We've got a very special metal roof cleaning course only for Spray Wash Pro members. And we're going to have a Business Basics 101 course. So we'd love to have you come and join us for some training, for some extended knowledge opportunities we have there in Orlando. Look forward to seeing y'all there. Wash on, guys. Have an awesome day.